going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. This car don't need no further introduction. Y'all already know what this is. Been wanting to film one of these for a while, but today is the day, and there is a backstory behind it. Alright, everybody, this is my buddy Herb. This is his Terminator Cobra. Hey Herb, what got you into liking for a Mustang, especially a Termi?
Just the power, colors of the car, drivability. Cartoon on E85, 734 horse.
Golly, man.
620 foot-pounds of torque.
Shoot.
Just a fun car to drive.
I've seen these cars over the years, but I know a buddy of mine that has an 03 coupe. It was bone stock, and that thing gets up and go. But a modified one like this one, I can only imagine.
She's a handful.
Oh, I bet, but I'm about to find out today. Came out, I was in grade school, like around that time, 03, 04, and you know, of course this car was ahead of its time, especially had independent rear suspension and all that.
Yeah,
it's just like a first for many for the Mustang. Of course, all they did is took the supercharger from the Lightning and put it on this and turned into what this is the beast what it is today. And this thing's still a Terminator because it's still whooping supercars for the prices at.
Yeah.
Oh shit! God damn! Woo! Shit! that was freaking awesome. The Terminator Cobra, SVT Cobra. This thing is an animal. I appreciate it, Herb. Thank you so much for the ride. But you know what, everybody? That's it. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.